Which of these events happened first? A. The turtle was destroyed. B. Bishop John Wilkins recognized the military potential of submersibles. C. The submarine explorer was used to harvest pearls. Or D. Radar and sonar were invented. If we can put a date or year on each of these events, we will be able to clearly see which of them happened first. A. The turtle was destroyed. The third paragraph tells us that the turtle was designed by David Bushnell in 1775 and was used during the American Revolutionary War. It was also later destroyed by the British. Because the text doesn't tell us specifically when it was destroyed by the British, we can assume it was sometime near 1775, and we will mark this choice as such. B. Bishop John Wilkins recognized the military potential of submersibles. The second paragraph tells us that Bishop John Wilkins wrote, "It may be of great advantages against a navy of enemies who by this may be undermined in the water and blown up." In other words, submersibles could be very helpful in war. The text tells us that he wrote this in 1648, which we will mark next to our answer. C. The submarine explorer was used to harvest pearls. The fourth paragraph tells us that after the war it was used commercially to harvest pearls in Panamanian waters during the late 1860s. Again, we don't have an exact date, but we'll put down roughly the 1860s. And D. Radar and sonar were invented. The sixth paragraph discusses radar and sonar being invented. Although it doesn't tell us exactly when this was, we can use context clues to help figure it out. The paragraph discusses the U-boats being used by the Germans in World War II, and how, contrary to World War I, the advances in technology such as radar and sonar reduced their overall effectiveness. Because we can see that radar and sonar were invented sometime between World War I and World War II, we can mark down 1920 to 1940. Now that the dates are clearly written out for us, we can see that the earliest event to occur is B. Bishop John Wilkins recognized the military potential of submersibles, and this can therefore be marked as our final answer.